Alright guys, today when I come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new waist fan, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for use. Let's go take a look at it. I haven't actually seen one of these, so let's try them out. Got like a nice strap to carry it on. It's got another strap for it right here. The Type-C cable to charge it up. The user manual. And the actual fan itself. Check it out. That's pretty cool. So it looks like you can clip it right here. Let's go ahead and actually power it on. Look at that. That's cool. I already feel it. It's got 10 different settings on here, and it does show the battery right here, 64%, so I thought that was cool. And then it does have a way to charge it, as well as a power bank, which we'll also try as well. So let's go ahead and actually crank it up a bit. 2, 3. That's pretty good. So we'll go ahead and actually put it on. We'll actually try it with the straps as well. So like I said, it does have these right here as well as these right here. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and actually put it on. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. All you just gotta do is loop it through that hole right here, and then we'll clip this back in place. And then I'll show you on this side as well. We'll push it through here, push it through there. We'll just push it through here, unclip this piece. I'm gonna run it through there. Once you have it tight, just go ahead and clip it back. And now I can essentially just use it like this. So I'm gonna turn it back on. Oh, that's like literally perfect right there. So now it's kind of like hands-free. You don't have to be holding on to it. It's literally shooting directly on here. Probably put it at about a 5, and that feels perfect right there. It's really humid right now where I live, so this would actually come in handy. It's starting to get up in the hundreds, so this can definitely help cool down a bit. Like I said, look at that. It's not heavy on the neck or anything like that. And if you don't like this one, like I said, you can clip it onto your belt or onto this other accessory here as well. But very cool feature. We'll go ahead and also try the power bank feature as well, just so we can see how that works. All right, so let's go ahead and actually try out the portable charger part, which I thought was actually a really neat feature. So let's go ahead and grab that, plug into the USB right here, just like that. And then we'll actually try out this too. Go ahead and plug it in. There it is. Very, very cool. So you can see, not only will it cool you down, it'll keep your electronics charged as well. If you're charging your iPad or iPhone, just keep this in your pocket. Still hands-free with this. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys want to go ahead and get you your new waist fan, I'm gonna link that link down below so you guys can get it. Highly recommend.